Hello everyone. As per the Vehicle Scrappage Policy 2021, private cars that are older than 20 years and commercial vehicles older than 15 years will be deregistered. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, The Informant. We're excited to share our content with you. Our channel is all about short informative videos and entertainment videos. From April, all government vehicles that have completed 15 years will automatically lose their right to ply on roads as their certificate of registration will expire, according to a new rule of the central government. So, what is the new vehicle scrap policy in India? The Vehicle Scrappage Policy 2021 focuses on phasing out old and unfit vehicles. It aims to deregister private cars over 20 years old and commercial vehicles over 15 years old. But, how much will I get if I scrap my car in India? The price is determined by weight of the vehicle to be scrapped and is typically 15 rupees per kilogram of metal parts. If the car is in working condition and its parts can be sold, you can get a higher price for the vehicle. And finally, what is the objective of Vehicle Scrappage Policy 2021? The key objective behind the new scrappage policy is to figure out those unfit vehicles and methodically recycle them. The eventual aim behind the scrap policy is to eliminate the pollution in the environment caused by such vehicles. For more videos, visit our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.